All right, guys. As you can see, we've added some numbers to the car. Car is actually going to be at the Rolex 24 race this weekend in the Porsche Corral. So I wanted to get some livery going, race livery, I guess you would say. I'm not a big sticker guy or anything like that, besides besides the tire lettering. But you can see I put an IMSA sticker on the back window, and then I put the magnetic numbers on the front or on the side doors. Hey, Copper, what's up, buddy? Gonna go right through the shot? I don't think there's any squirrels over there. Is there a squirrel over there? Oh, go, 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 go. Just kidding, just kidding. Back over here, come on. Over here, come on. Anyway, so yeah, just wanted to throw it up on YouTube. I think it came out really good. There's another monkey. Number 23, then the country where I was born, and my first initial and my last name. So this is the 1982 911 FC. Guess you'd call it a resto mod. It needs some engine tweaking. It did get ITBs and a EFI conversion. AEM Infinity ECU. And we're having some little hiccups here. It's down on power big time via a Dynajet. So I'm gonna try another tuner. Wasn't really happy with the first one. I won't say no names. But I just went to a place where they actually work on the Rolex race cars that are gonna be in the race next week. And they're gonna do compression tests and leak down tomorrow. And we're gonna go from there and just make sure everything's tight and no leaks and all that stuff, and try to diagnose what's going on. It's down probably 80 horsepower. So I don't know. Jeff Gamroth of Roth Sport Racing said he thinks that my ITBs are too big, my headers are too small, and then my exhaust sucks, which is an M&K 2 in 2 out. But I tell you, when you drive it, it certainly feels peppy and quick. It doesn't feel like 250 horsepower. So we know it's just I think it's just some fine tuning, just like anything. I'll actually show you guys the ITBs since the last video. So those are 50 millimeter PMO ITBs. Got the braided hoses. Those crimps weren't even crimped when I picked the car up, so we had some leaks there. Sequential ignition and the coils. And then, well, the door's locked. I don't know if you can see down there. No, you can't. Let's see here. Get that out there. That's my hood prop. Hold on, let me open up the other door. Hold tight. There we go. There's your AEM Resant Infinity ECU. It's pretty decent ECU, actually. My guy tunes Motec, and he was very surprised at how intuitive and how good the AEM is. Usually he'll bash anything that's not Motec. So that thing on the driver's seat's just a tail and hood prop. Got the 911 ka-thunk, ping. But anyway, this video was just to show you guys kind of the current state of the car. So it's a 3.3 short stroke, EFI conversion, 50 millimeter PMO ITBs, George's European headers, and M&K 2 in, 2 out exhausts. And I'll sign off with that.